Welcome to Followers Panda. Today, we'll guide you through setting up follower verification on Twitch to enhance your channel's security. First, let's head to your creator dashboard. Click on Settings. Then select Moderation. In your moderation settings, you'll find Email Verification. You can set this to require all users to verify their email to follow you. Next, let's check out Phone Verification. Similar to email, you can require a verified phone number for new followers. For tighter security, you can set verification for all users or just new accounts under a certain age. Remember, mods, VIPs, and subscribers can be exempt. Important to note, if a verified account is suspended, all associated accounts are too, preventing misuse of your channel. Thanks for watching. Secure your Twitch channel today, and don't forget to subscribe to Followers Panda for more tips.